When I was young, especially when in my school days, I loved to go by a store that sells banana fritters, and I always buy them back before I go home. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana fritter with Gula Melaka and Pandan sauce. I'm going to show you how to make the batter. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in some ice water in the batter so that the fritter will be crispy and nice. And then an egg. A little bit of salt. Give it a good stir. The batter has to be a little light, not too heavy. Add in about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh coconut milk. Mix the mixture up until it's a little thicker and you can see the texture is not too thin. Once the batter is done, you prepare the banana. So the banana needs to be ripened so that you can get the sweetness in the banana. Usually they use this banana called pisang raja. But you know, nowadays it's really difficult to find them. So I'm going to slice the banana. Now it's time to fry the fritter. So I'm just going to mix the banana and the batter together. I'm going to add some oil. And we are just going to shallow fry the fritter. Make sure your oil is not too hot, or else if you put the banana fritter in together with the batter, it will just turn brown very quickly. Now if you could see how these little bits are formed, once it's fried, place it onto a paper towel to drain the oil. And now let's move on to the sauce. Okay, it's a fuss-free sauce, okay? It's simple. It's just Gula Melaka, water, and Pandan Leaves. So I'm going to add in 1/4 of a pot of water, let it boil. Gula Melaka and Pandan leaf. So I'm going to melt this until the sauce is thickened. And you make sure your fire is not too hot because we don't want to burn the sugar. So it's all done, and now it's time to plate the banana fritter. I will drizzle a little bit of the sauce over the banana fritter. There you go, the banana fritter cooked with coconut batter and served with Pandan Gula Melaka sauce. Give us a like and look forward for more recipes.